100 plus English sentences. Happy. She was really happy. She was really happy. Silence. The children were silenced. The children were silenced. Bright. He has a bright future. He has a bright future. Obey. He obeyed his father. He obeyed his father. Leave. He had to leave home. He had to leave home. Surprise. She was surprised to see me. She was surprised to see me. Indeed. This is indeed very good news. This is indeed very good news. Invite. I was invited to the party. I was invited to the party. Work. Mother is doing some work. Mother is doing some work. Nod. She nodded in reply. She nodded in reply. Task. She finished the task. She finished the task. Ready. She was ready to leave. She was ready to leave. Concentrate. The kids were not concentrating in the class. The kids were not concentrating in the class. Hit. He hit the tree. He hit the tree. Understand. Do you understand Hindi? Do you understand Hindi? Paint. She painted a flower. She painted a flower. Prince. He is a young prince. He is a young prince. Wooden. We have a wooden table. We have a wooden table. Turn. She turned towards me. She turned towards me. Place. She placed an apple on his head. She placed an apple on his head. Concentration. She read the book with concentration. She read the book with concentration. Innocently. The cat sat innocently. The cat sat innocently. Immense. The news gave me immense happiness. The news gave me immense happiness. Reply. He replied to my question. He replied to my question. Praise. The teacher praised me. The teacher praised me. Gather. Children gathered to hear the story. Children gathered to hear the story. Glad. He made me very glad. He made me very glad. Ask. The man asked my name. The man asked my name. Very. Bithi was very happy. Bithi was very happy. Test. He passed the test. He passed the test. Steadily. The old man walked steadily. The old man walked steadily. Arrange. They arranged a party. They arranged a party. Hold. Holding a lantern in one hand, she started searching. Holding a lantern in one hand, she started searching. Reply. He wrote a letter in reply. He wrote a letter in reply. Hit. He hit the target. He hit the target. Criticize. Father criticized me for my bad habits. Father criticized me for my bad habits. Hear. He heard me without breaking eye contact. He heard me without breaking eye contact. Towards. I went towards the gate. I went towards the gate. Turn. It is my turn to bat. It is my turn to bat. silently. The boy sat silently. The boy sat silently. Lastly. Lastly, he showed us a picture. Lastly, he showed us a picture. Become. She became a good student. She became a good student. Similar. The sisters look similar. The sisters look similar. Want. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. Stand. All the children stood up. All the children stood up. Soon. We left the place soon. We left the place soon. Throw. The boy threw a stone. The boy threw a stone. Every day. The girl practiced singing every day. The girl practiced singing every day. Angry. He was angry. He was angry. Like. She liked chocolates. She liked chocolates. Complete. She could complete the task. She could complete the task. Grow. The plant began to grow. The plant began to grow. Visible. All the stars are visible. All the stars are visible. Cousin. Raju is my cousin. Raju is my cousin. Question. He helped me without a question. He helped me without a question. Ordinary. This is an ordinary toy. This is an ordinary toy. Disciple. He is a young disciple. He is a young disciple. Woodland. The woodland is full of trees. The woodland is full of trees. Sword. The sword is very sharp. The sword is very sharp. Gather. Young boys and girls gathered in the playground. Young boys and girls gathered in the playground. Large. She has a large house. She has a large house. Fascinate. I was fascinated by the sunrise of the Tiger Hill. I was fascinated by the sunrise of the Tiger Hill. Sunny. It is a sunny morning. It is a sunny morning. Favorite. This is my favorite doll. This is my favorite doll. Clever. No doubt you are a clever boy. No doubt you are a clever boy. Foolish. He is a foolish man. He is a foolish man. Powerful. He is a powerful man. He is a powerful man. Laugh. The child laughed loudly. The child laughed loudly. Secret. She found a secret garden. She found a secret garden. Safety. This umbrella is for your safety. This umbrella is for your safety. Suggestion. I have a good suggestion. I have a good suggestion. Warrior. He is a brave warrior. He is a brave warrior. Completely. She was completely blind. She was completely blind. Weapon. The weapon is very sharp. The weapon is very sharp. Whenever. Play the piano whenever you can. Play the piano whenever you can. Sorry. I am sorry for your loss. I am sorry for your loss. Skill. The worker had a great skill. The worker had a great skill. Realize. She realized her mistake. She realized her mistake. Royal. We saw the royal palace. We saw the royal palace. Catch. We will catch him very soon. We will catch him very soon. Observe. She observed the boy. She observed the boy. Dance. She began to dance. She began to dance. Path. The path is wide. The path is wide. Rivalry. The brothers had a great rivalry. The brothers had a great rivalry. Stupid. He is a stupid boy. He is a stupid boy. Strange. The man looked strange. The man looked strange. Impatient. She is an impatient girl. She is an impatient girl. Swim. The fish swam under water. The fish swam under water. Speak. You should speak to him. You should speak to him. Short. The elephant has a short tail. The elephant has a short tail. Angry. The man was angry. The man was angry. Late. She was late as usual. She was late as usual. Always. She was always happy. She was always happy. Joy. He loved in joy. He loved in joy. Welcome. You are welcome to our house. You are welcome to our house. Definitely. They will win definitely. They will win definitely. Quickly. She quickly left the place. She quickly left the place. Easily. He did the work easily. He did the work easily. Make up. She made up her mind to read. She made up her mind to read. Decide. He decided to proceed. He decided to proceed. Want. He wanted to lie down. He wanted to lie down. Pretend. He was pretending to read. He was pretending to read. Plan. She had a great plan. She had a great plan. Trick. The magician showed us a trick. The magician showed us a trick. Taste. She loved to taste the fruit. She loved to taste the fruit. Work. The plan worked well. The plan worked well. Fail. They have failed to win. They have failed to win. Go. The sheep went by. The sheep went by. Escape. The thief escaped from jail. The thief escaped from jail. Tomorrow. She will come tomorrow. She will come tomorrow.